Hey, Final Frontier Warriors. How do you make sure if you're studying smartly or you're just studying your textbooks or just solving questions? Well, it's always a question and a doubt in your head if you should finish studying everything or you should start your journey with a mock exam to check where you stand based on your scores. Honestly speaking, it's all about making a balance between the both. You can achieve that by solving Final Frontier Mock Exam Bundle or by taking Final Frontier Live Course or Independent Study Bundle. What does Mock Exam Bundle includes? It includes 2 ethics quizzes, total 100 questions, 4 quizzes on areas of domains like musculoskeletal, neurology, cardiology, respiratory, and other systems, and 8 full-length exams, each 100 questions, so more than 1,000 questions in that bundle. Every full-length practice exam follows the blueprint criteria, which includes 80 vignette questions, 20 standalone questions, enhanced media questions like pictures, videos, and audio questions. You can take every practice exam for about 3 attempts and review the rationals for about 180 days. Not just that, every question is provided with a detailed rationale and reference to it. CPTE oral section mock exam. Every oral section mock includes 2.5 hours mock with one of our experienced instructors, giving you the CPTE-style structured exam experience. You can also choose to take the feedback session, which is going to be about 1 hour, followed by next day schedule, so that you know where you could have gone better and you need any additional support in any of the specific areas. If you have any questions regarding the mock exams, feel free to let me know, but we do have a tutorial how to decide if you're exam ready or not. I wish you good luck for your CPTE journey.